How to change your email on Janitor AI. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change your email on Janitor AI. For this, open up any web browser and head over to janitorai.com. Once you're on this web page, make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed into your account, you want to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. From this list, you want to click on the option of settings. Once you click on settings, it is going to take you to another page. Now on this page, you have the option of update email. Go ahead and click on this button. Once you do, you will have to enter your new email address that you want to change into. Now click on the send verification email option. Go ahead and open your mailing app and check the email. Here, click on this blue link that says change email. After you do that, you will see that your email has been changed or updated. And now while logging in, you will have to use the new email address that you just entered. And just in these simple steps, you have changed your email on Janitor AI. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.